In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make good first PowerPoint slide. We'll start right from your web browser and finish with a polished opening slide you can build on. First, open your browser and search for PowerPoint. Click the official site and sign in with your account so you can access your presentations and save your work online. Once you're on the home page, choose Create Blank Presentation. This opens the editor and places you on your first slide, ready to design. Let's set a clean background. Right-click on an empty area of the slide and open the background options. In the panel that appears, look for Solid Fill and click the small arrow to expand it. Pick a color that matches your topic and brand. Aim for good contrast with your text so titles are easy to read on any screen. As soon as you choose a color, you'll see your background update immediately. Now add a strong visual. Go to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, then select this device. Browse your files, pick a photo that supports your message, and click Open. Resize the image by dragging from the corners so it keeps its proportions, and position it where it complements, not competes with, your title area. If design suggestions appear on the right, explore them. Scroll through the options and click a layout you like. These suggestions can automatically arrange your picture and text placeholders into a professional composition. You can switch designs anytime by clicking a different suggestion. Next, edit your title. Click the title placeholder, type your headline, then select the text. Choose a font style that fits the tone of your presentation. Clean and modern fonts usually work well. Use the font size drop-down to adjust the size so it stands out without overflowing the slide. To change the font color, open the font color drop-down and pick a shade that is readable against your background. Keep accessibility in mind. High contrast and simple typefaces are your friends. Ready for the next slide? Go to Insert and click New Slide. You now have a second page to continue your story with the same visual style. From here, you can insert a text box, table, additional pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, or a chart. Just click the item you want and place it on the slide. Finally, add some polish with transitions. Open the Transitions tab and select the transition you want. Choose something subtle to keep your presentation looking professional. And that's it. Your first slide is ready, and you're set up for the rest of your deck.